Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm excited to try out one of these green edition products from Maybelline. This here is the Mega Mousse Mascara. Weightless volume, formula with shea butter, bio-based fiber brush. I am very intrigued. I love trying out new mascaras, and this is one of the products that I picked up in my recent Walmart makeup haul. So by the way, that video is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. And this cost about $9 at Walmart. I have this in the shade number 2, Very Black. And there was this whole section of this green edition collection of products from Maybelline. So I did pick up some of the other products as well. But so what makes this green edition is that it's a vegan formula. This is 99% natural origin ingredients. It's a clean formula, meaning that it's formulated without parabens, mineral oil, and ingredients that are included on a list of many that some consumers are seeking to avoid. Check out the website to discover the other ingredients excluded. And then the tube excluding the wiper and cap excluding the brush are made with 95% recycled plastic. Well, it's great to see this type of effort from these big makeup brands. And it is beautiful packaging, this teal color. I love the whole green aspect to this mascara, but I want it to be a good mascara. I need it to be a good mascara if I'm going to continue using it because I'm very picky with my mascaras. I want this to really enhance the lashes. And let's start out by checking out this wand. Ooh, this is definitely a little bit funky of a shape. How it gets kind of like a bump, a little wider just on one side. So here you can see how this wand looks. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying it to just one of my eyes so we can compare the difference. It is a nice brush. I feel like it definitely does a good job of brushing through all of the lashes and dispersing a good amount of product. Like for the first layer, this makes a nice difference. The lashes are staying separated, which I love to see. This is a great dark black color, this number 2 called Very Black. I love it. It seems to be sticking onto the ends of the lashes as well, giving a nice lengthening effect. I did get a little mascara on my eyelid. Actually, let's see how this is. Oh, okay. That brushes away very easily without smudging. I love to see that. It seems to be a bit lifting too with this shape of the wand. I really like that. This is looking awesome for that first impression. I definitely am going to try layering it up on my top lashes, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and see how it is on these lower lashes. I like that it makes the lower lashes so dark and visible. They're still separated, no clumping. That's really all I really need on my lower lashes. I just don't want it to smudge at all. And we'll see, but I don't think that this seems like the smudging type of mascara. But I hope that I can layer it up for even more volume while the lashes continue to stay separated. Let's see how it builds up. Ooh, this is nice. It's very easy to build up. It really does seem nicely lifting. Buildable volume, so it gives a very full look to the lashes, which is exactly what I tried to achieve. And the lashes are pretty much staying separated. There's a little bit of sticking together, but I feel like I'm able to pull them apart. So it doesn't take too long to layer it up to how I want my lashes to look. And I'm loving the curl that I'm able to get because I did not curl my lashes and they are looking really nicely curled. Wow, I like that a lot. And then the only thing is I keep getting mascara on my eyelid here, but oh my gosh, it just brushes away so easily. I'm very happy with this. This is definitely enhancing my lashes just like I said I wanted. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other eye to finish off the look. It does seem kind of more like a thicker mascara, which I really do like because I feel like it gives a lot of volume quickly, so I don't have to spend as much time layering and layering. My only little complaint that I'm having with this mascara would be that the wand is a bit messy. How I keep getting the mascara on my eyelid, but I am loving what this is doing for the lashes. It gives such beautiful volume, such great lift, great curl, separation. I love the dark color. It seriously is checking all of the boxes, and a $9 price point is not bad at all. You definitely do not have to spend a lot of money on mascaras for them to be good. And this is just as good, if not better, than a lot of the more expensive high-end mascaras that I've tried. And I will update you in the description down below on if this actually smudges on my under eyes or not, because that's something that I'm very picky about as well. Like when I smile, my cheeks will rub against the lower lash mascara and it can often create smudging there. So I want to see if this ends up smudging, but for now, my first impression, I am very happy with this. So if you've tried it out, of course, I'd love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on it. But I'm so happy that this green edition formula does not seem to have compromised the actual performance of this formula at all. I'm very happy with it and definitely seems like a mascara that I would continue using. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.